Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick How-To. In today's video, I'm going to show you here the Terick Solutions Floor Mats for this Polaris RZR 2025 XP 1000. So it is extremely high quality rubber and nice grips and everything. I'm very impressed personally. I didn't expect this when I contacted them to ask them if they were interested in doing a video here with us. And it is a beautiful product. Looking forward to seeing what it handles out on the trail. And also, does it help with the sound reduction? With the material, I think it might. So let's put these in and see what they look like. So you can see what we're doing here. I moved out of the way. It might be hard to get in here perfectly, but I'll just give you an idea how this fits. Now, the contours and the shapes are perfectly cut out. I mean, it has a definite factory quality finish and it fits beautifully. So let's do the driver's side. Okay, here is the driver's side. Wow. That looks really nice. It even has the place here for your footrest. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. They did a really nice job, and I'm not just saying that because I think that's a good idea for you, everybody that's watching. I try to give you the best and the honest opinion, and I'm telling you, for floor mat wise, I don't think you're gonna get any nicer. Definitely keep that sound down while you're moving your feet around. Make it easier to clean the floor too. It'll collect some of the dirt. And I do want to see how that sound is with the absorption inside. Also included here, we're going to put in this mat here. As you can see, the before, things slide around a lot in there. I had a makeshift mat in here, but let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, wow, look at that. Now that is very, very high quality right there. And things will have less likely time sliding around with the rubber on here, but you can see the amount of time and work that was put into making this fit perfectly. There is a lot of hours. This machine will definitely benefit to having these in here. Thank you for watching, everybody, and a special thanks to Terick Solutions for providing this part of discount for us to install and do a nice little installation video and also be able to test it out on the trail. So I think that if you're in the market here for a real nice high quality floor mat, you won't find better than this. And here at Maverick How-To, we stand by what we do videos on. I can say that you won't be disappointed. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you out on the trail.